Hello and welcome to Dav Facts Channel, where we explore the fascinating world of food and its impact on our health. Today, we're diving into the beloved dish known as ramen. But before we delve into its health benefits, let's take a trip down memory lane to understand the origins and history of ramen. Ramen originated in China centuries ago, making its way to Japan in the late 19th century. Since then, it has evolved into a beloved culinary staple enjoyed worldwide. So, what makes ramen so irresistible? Apart from its delicious flavors, ramen offers a plethora of health benefits. Ramen can be a nutritious meal when prepared with wholesome ingredients. The broth, often simmered for hours, is rich in vitamins and minerals. Its hearty portions of protein, whether from meat or plant-based sources like tofu, provide the body with essential amino acids for muscle repair and growth. But how is ramen made? The process involves careful selection and preparation of ingredients, followed by meticulous cooking techniques to achieve that perfect balance of flavors. Now, you might be wondering, what's the most delicious ramen in the world? Well, that's a tough question to answer, as it ultimately boils down to personal preference. Whether you prefer the rich, creamy tonkatsu broth from Japan or the spicy, flavorful kimchi ramen from Korea, there's a bowl of ramen out there to satisfy every palate. However, it's essential to enjoy ramen in moderation, as with any food. Overconsumption of sodium-rich broths or fatty toppings can have adverse effects on your health. Remember to pair your ramen indulgence with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins to maintain a well-rounded and healthy lifestyle. So, next time you slurp a bowl of delicious ramen, savor every bite, and remember to nourish your body with love and care. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.